seeing a payload anomaly of approximately 8.5 pounds.
Well, that's within tolerance. Certainly not worth scuttling.
We're back.
At last.
Ah, Gordon. Hell of a job you did out there, son.
I suggest we adjourn this meeting of the Mutual Admiration Society until after we have launched our rocket.
I believe Gordon should have the honor.
You'll hear no objection from me.
It's all yours, Gordon. Go on, push the button, Gordon. Look out below! Go on, push the button, Gordon.
Hey, I was drinking that.
It's all yours, Gordon. Whoa!
There's no time to waste. Get right on it.
Just launch the damn thing.
Wait for me! It's all yours.
Oh, for God's sake, it's only a button. Just press it. Hey, what's it, man?
Gordon, launch that thing.
Getting the hell out of here.
Just press it, that's all I ask.
I'm gonna rest here. Well, you gonna push the button? Go on, push the button, Gordon. Oh, okay.
There's no time to waste. Get right on it.
You know, it's a good thing I don't get car sick.
I've got a rocket to launch.
Hurry up or I'll do it myself. Hurry up or I'll do it myself. Just launch the damn thing. Just launch the damn thing.
Yeah,
We did it!
we sure did.
Control myself.
Yes!
Fantastic.
Deep breaths.
Whoa, that was amazing.